Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to empty the dustbin on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. You can either empty it into the dust bag, which is the default thing, and depending on your settings, it can most likely do it automatically without you needing to click it on the app, but I'll show you how to do it through the app, although I will also show you how to do that manually if you'd like to empty it into a trash can. So let's do the trash can thing first. To do it, open the lid on the robot, then as I rotate it, there is the dustbin. Now to remove it, simply press on this button right here and you can now remove it. You can see there is the filter, and that's where you open the dustbin. So you can remove the filter, it is quite filthy, and then remove the dust and also clean the filter itself, which is a pretty important thing. To clean the filter, you should do it every few months, like every 3 months or more often, depending on your preference. Clean it with water and let it dry for at least 24 hours before you put it back in here. Also, if you're cleaning the dustbin, also make sure that if you clean it with water inside, you let it dry for 24 hours to prevent mold. Now let's click it back in. Close the lid and it's done. Now, as I told you, I'll show you how to do it through the app. So I'll slide the robot into the charging station. Of course, you can do that automatically through the app or by clicking on the home button on the robot. Now, as you can see in the app, you can find station button and then find collect dust. And it will start collecting the dust into the dust bag. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.